Hi everyone, welcome back to Pepcoding. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video we are going to do one more question related to linked list. So our question is, we have to remove all duplicates from sorted linked list. Okay, so let's read out the question first. We have given a single sorted linked list of numbers. Okay, remove all nodes that have duplicate numbers, leaving only distinct numbers from the original list, returning the remaining linked list. So in this question we have given one single sorted linked list. Single sorted linked list single means single linked list. Sorted means the linked list is in some order. It can be in increasing order or it can be in decreasing order, right? In second line, what we have given, we have to remove all those nodes that contains duplicate numbers inside them. So we have to remove those nodes which contains duplicacy, right? And we have to return only those nodes that contain distinct numbers inside them only. Okay, so that is our question. So let's try to understand that with an example. See, this is our linked list. We have to remove all those nodes that contain duplicacy. First of all, we are here. We will check do we have some another node that contains the same number as this node contains inside it. Yes, 1. We have this node which contains 1. We have this node also which contains 1. So we will remove that from linked list. Okay, we will come here and we will again check, is there any node which contains the same number inside it as this node contains. No, we don't have any another node that contains the same number as this number, so we will return 2. Here is our output. Again we will come here and check, do we have some another node that contains the same number inside it as this node contains. Yes, we have, so we will remove that nodes from our linked list. We come here again, we will check the same thing, and what we have got, we don't have any another node that contains the same number as this node contains, so 6 will get returned. Okay, so this is what we have to do in our question. So let's try to understand how we can do that. Okay, so this is our list. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to check the duplicacy. And how we can check duplicacy, this is the question now. First of all, we will take one dummy node, right, and store -1 inside that. Okay, after that we will take 2 pointers. I am going to take pointers of name, iterator and current. Okay, initially I placed iterator here and current here. This is my head. Okay, and what after that I have to check the duplicacy. And how I can check that, I will check if next of iterator's value, if that value is equals to current's value, that means there is duplicacy. So I will check this condition and update my current, right? Now I don't know how much duplicacy this number contains, in how many nodes this number is occurring, so I will write that condition inside the while. Okay, I am not writing the code here, I am just trying to understand you the logic. Okay, so I am not writing code here, I am just trying you to understand the code, you to understand the logic. Okay, here I have to check one more condition, that is if our current node is equals to null. That we will see after some time. Okay, and now we don't know how many times that number is occurring in nodes. Okay, so what we will do, we will write that condition inside while. Okay, after that we need something that marks we have duplicacy or not. For that we will take one flag variable of boolean type and initialize it with false, and after checking duplicacy, if duplicacy exists, we will simply store true. We will simply set the value true of flag. Okay, after checking the duplicacy, we have to check if duplicacy exists. If flag's value is true, simply store current's value in iterators in next of iterator. Okay, again, if flag's value will give us false, then what we will do, simply we will store next value of iterator inside iterator, or we will simply update that. At the end we also have to update current every time, but how we can do that? We will always check one condition, till my current node is equals to 0, do this, and if the current value will become 0, so don't do this. Same condition I have to check here. Okay, so let's try to dry run it. Initially iterator is here and current is here. Okay, first I will check value at iterator, next of iterator. This is next of iterator. As we all know, this position store address of next node. Okay, so I will check value at next of iterator. What is the value here? So initially what I was doing, I was storing my potential next value at here. Okay, at my head. I hope you have understood this. Initially what I was doing before doing this question, I was storing my potential next value next of iterator's value. What is the value of next dot iterator? So this is iterator dot next. It is storing value, it is storing this node. So what is the value of this node? 1. If this is equals to current's value, then increase shift current by 1, right, and flag will become true here, right? Now again we will check our iterator dot next is still this. Again we'll check next of iterator's value is equals to current value. Current is this now. Iterators dot next value is 1, current's value is 1. Yes, again my flag is true. Okay, now again coming here, again we have to check the same condition for duplicacy. Okay, see, now iterator dot next is 2, value of iterator dot next is 2 is equals to current's value. No, that means there is no duplicacy, so we will not go inside this loop, we will simply come here. Now what is the value of flag? It is false now. So if block will not get executed and else block will get executed, and iterator dot next will get stored in pointer iterator. So this is our iterator dot next, so iterator will come here now. Okay, now, and if current node is equals to null, shift the current to the next node, current will come here. Now again we will check iterator dot next dot value, that is iterator dot next, this represent iterator dot next, value of iterator dot next, that is 5. 5 is equals to current value. Yes, it is. That means there is duplicacy, so flag will become true, and move our current to the next node, current will come here. Okay, again iterator dot next value, that is 5, is equals to current's value. No, that means there is no duplicacy. So we have, what we have to do, we will come out from this loop. When we will come out from this loop, when we will check now current, we have to shift the current to the next node, right? Current will come here, and as we have seen, our linked list has finished here. So current is equals to null. Now we will come out from this loop and check here. Now we will check, we will cut here, right? We will check flag. What is the value of flag? It is false now. Before doing this, what we have to do, we have to shift our my iterator is false now, right? And I have to shift my iterator to, sorry, I have done one mistake here. Before coming here, right, before wait, 5 is here and 5 is here, right? So after checking till here, we were getting false value true, right? Am I right? Then what we were doing, we were simply shifting our this, right? And in that case what I have to do, see, when our flags value is true, we are storing our current in our iterator.next, right? So current will store here, current will get stored here, and at that time value of current is 6, right? So this, you can see, current is here now. I am talking about this current right now. Okay, so till now we have got the value of flag as true. Okay, so current, we have updated this because flag's value is true, so current is stored in iterator.next. We have current here, right? So current is 6 now. The link, this link has got created and this connection has got broken. This connection has got broke. Okay, so this connection has broken now and our link has created to here because my current is this is current here. Okay, current iterator.next was storing current inside that, so current is this. Till here we have checked that there is duplicacy. Yes, there is duplicacy. So what we have to do, we are shifting our iterator to our current. Okay, so this is how we have got this. After that we have to shift our current will come here. Now after doing this, we have to come here, right? So we will check current is not is equals to null. No, current is null now, so simply we will not go inside that and we will return our value, right? So after returning, what we will get 2 node and 6 node as our output, because you can see link has got broken here when our iterator.next was donating this value. So 2 and 6 are our new linked list that contains no duplicacy. I hope you have understood till now. So let's do the code part first. Okay, so first of all we have to check if our head is equals to null pointer. That means our linked list is 0. Now if at next of head we have null pointer, that means our linked list contain only one element, then return head, right? After that, what we have to do is I'm going to create one dummy node, right, and storing -1 there, right? Now I will create variables or pointers of iterator, and iterator will place a dummy, and at iterator, next of iterator, what I am storing, at next of iterator I am storing my head, and my second pointer is current, and I am storing head.next there, right? Now what I have to do, I have to check condition till my current node is equals to null. What I have to do, I have to check is duplicacy exists or not in my linked list. So for that I have to write this condition first, till my current node is equals to 0, and next of iterator's value, if I have to write next here also, if this value is equals to current's value, then simply return head. Okay, and I also have to do something inside that. So I am updating my current's value, right? I also have to mark that am I getting flag's value true or not. That means is there duplicacy exist or not. So flag value will come true. Okay, now coming here, what I have to do, I have to check if flags value is equal. If flags value is true, then simply what we have to do, iterators, store current in iterators next. Else what you have to do, store next of iterator, next of iterator in iterator, and at the end I have to update my current value. But before that I have to check condition, right? Now at the end I have to return next of dummy, return all those nodes that contains distinct values inside them. Okay, so just we are getting compilation error. Let's resolve this error first. So first of all we have to write null pointer here always. Okay, let's run it. We are again getting some error, so let's check it. We have done one mistake, we don't need to write it here. I don't know why when I did that, see, but no problem at all. Current next if store, right, else do this, so do that in, so this is right. Now if current node is equals to null pointer, do this. We are getting error at here. Okay, so we have to write it like that. Run this code. Now you can see our output has got accepted. Let's submit this code. So we are getting the right answer. I hope you have understood how we can do this question. This code is quite similar as I have taught you in dry run, right? So if you haven't understood it yet, please watch this video in loop again and again. Thank you so much. That's all about this video.